Hello my beautiful YouTube family, it's NowIamNappy and I'm back for another Tip Tuesday. Now obviously I'm here visiting my sister and my nephew.
Hi guys.
So y'all asked for a new challenge and we are back at it. So this challenge will officially begin on June 13th. We're focusing on tea rinses and scalp massages. Again, we're gonna go for 8 weeks and I'll try to make this as easy as possible, and I'll be doing weekly videos giving you all the recipes and any substitution or alternatives that you may want to use. And again, we'll be going live every Sunday at 1:30 p.m. to answer any of your questions and concerns.
Now again, the goal for this challenge is again overall hair health, and we will have targeted weeks focused on the scalp, hair fall, hair growth, moisture, and strength.
Right. Okay, so we will use our tea 3 times during the week. Once as our moisturizing step on wash day, the next time as a refresher at least once during the week, and then finally we're going to use the remaining tea as a tea rinse on the following wash day.
Now during the weeks, at least 3 times, we will be giving ourselves a scalp massage. Suggested massages and tea usages will be available on my undownloadable calendar and website.
Okay, but let's just briefly go ahead and talk about the 8 weeks. And don't freak out, y'all. I know it might sound like a lot at first, but I have some solution to some of these herb combinations, okay? So week 1 is going to be focusing on our scalp and scalp health. We're going to be using herbs like chamomile, echinacea, peppermint, neem, and rosemary essential oil. Now, I know that seems like a lot of herbs, y'all, but this is actually just one tea that you can purchase here. Now, I've linked all of these teas in my Amazon store. Now, a lot of you guys can also find these in your Whole Foods store as well. Now, this week we'll be using, again, my NowIamNappy Ayurvedic Stimulating Oil on our scalp as sealing in or locking in that moisture. Week 2 is all about hair fall. We're going to be focusing on herbs such as amla, black seed, green tea, and using peppermint essential oil to help stimulate our scalp. Now you'll also have the option to use either my leave-in conditioner or twist cream to moisturize your hair during the week. Now a lot of you guys mentioned to me in the last challenge you guys wanted to know what I was doing throughout the week. So I'm providing you guys a nice option using my products to help really lock in that moisture. Now week 3, we're gonna have 2 DIYs. The second DIY is totally optional, but week 3 is focusing on hair growth. We're gonna look at herbs such as fenugreek, horsetail, and nettle. Now additionally this week we have the option to make a sea moss gel that will go down the length of our hair while we moisturize our scalp with this particular hair tea. Okay, so week 4 is all about moisture, you guys. We're gonna be focusing on herbs like marshmallow root and hibiscus, and we're gonna lock in that moisture with either my leave-in, twist cream, or a combination of both. Now week 5 is all about strength. Y'all know how to bring the strength back into your hair, okay? And we're gonna be using herbs like amla or brahmi, and then we're gonna use a little bit of conditioning herbs such as aloe vera. And of course, you guys, for moisture that week, we're gonna be also using our leave-in spray or my twist cream. As you guys notice, this will be a pattern to help us fill in that moisture once we add it to that hair, or in this case, we're gonna be filling in some strength and then locking in that moisture, okay? So week 6, again, is gonna focus back on moisture. So we're gonna go ahead and bring back what we used on week 4. So we're gonna make use of the same herbs, so don't worry, we're gonna be focusing on that marshmallow root. We're gonna be using hibiscus. There's also an option to add some calendula if you like. Additionally, we'll also have the option to make a flaxseed gel to again add in some more moisture to our wonderful strands for that particular week. Now week 7, bringing it back to the hair growth, y'all. Again, we're gonna bring back those herbs that we used in week 3. We're making proper use of our herbs, so we're not just buying them and not reusing them. We're gonna focus again on herbs like fenugreek, horsetail, and nettle, and then we're gonna fill it in with what?
Your famous leave-in conditioner or twist cream.
Right, wonderful.
Now finally, in week 8, we'll be focusing on the scalp once again, and we will be using herbs such as chamomile, lavender, lemon balm, tulsi powder, and don't worry, because this is also just one tea like last time. However, we can seal it off with, again, my wonderful aunt's Ayurvedic oil.
I didn't pay him to say this, y'all, okay?
I'm just kidding. Okay.
So yeah, you guys, I'm creating a bundle deal for you guys for this challenge. It's gonna include the leave-in conditioner, the twist cream, and my Ayurvedic oil. I'm gonna put it on sale for 30% off. And you can purchase this right on my website, NowIamNappy.com. And don't worry, the links to all of the teas and all the herbs can be found on Amazon. I really tried to make affordable options for you guys, affordable herbs, so you don't feel like you're buying everything. And again, we'll make multiple use of some of these herbs throughout the weeks, so you'll be using them up. And again, don't forget to download my calendar that will give you all the information for the teas, the massages, and how we'll be using it throughout the week. Just a quick note, you guys, all of the information can be found in the description box of this video. All right, so let's get back to the video. If you guys have any questions, please leave it down in the comment section below. Please share with any of your friends who are looking to learn more about Ayurveda. This, again, is a wonderful challenge for those who are new or who are looking for specific things, you know, learning about scalp care and hair growth, and then using teas to help enhance our hair, to help make our hair flourish throughout this challenge. So don't forget to subscribe, you guys. You don't want to miss out on any of our challenges. Again, this is our second Ayurvedic challenge. We did one in the previous 8 weeks and our hair absolutely flourished. So you don't want to miss out on this time. But that's it for this week. We'll see you next time.
Bye, guys.
Bye. We're gonna focus on herbs like alma. We're gonna focus on herbs. We're gonna focus.
I just downloaded it.
Horsetail and nettle, and then we're gonna seal it in with what? My leave-in conditioner.
Oh yeah. See, you did that last time and it messed me up.